Here is a video of the phantom looping. Watch this video if you like the zipline sound effect. I just love it. It's like so satisfying. Like that. Like it's so satisfying. Watch the video till the end. Or watch the whole video.